In political coverage tonight, over 100,000 Missourians were dropped from Medicaid coverage in the past year.
And 90,000 of those, in fact, were children, and people all across the state gathered at the Capitol today to express their concern about this.
Our Madison Haahr is live in the newsroom with what was discussed at the hearing and what could happen next. Madison.
Yeah, Jen, House Minority Leader Quade, she headed this whole hearing that was actually an unofficial hearing, and she had initially asked Speaker of the House Elijah Haahr to task a committee to hold the official hearing on the Medicaid drops, but he had not done that yet. Republicans have cited a booming economy and that people didn't want Medicaid coverage anymore as reasons for the drops, but Quade said that's not a good enough reason.
We're seeing a 5 to 7%, increase from Missouri's loss of coverage for Medicaid compared to other states, but we're not seeing the same thing with other social service programs. So if it was the economy, then we would see that across the board, and we're not.
Quade said they heard from lawyers that represent people trying to get back on Medicaid, different agencies, and people that have had poor interactions with the health department as they try to get back on Medicaid. She says the biggest problem they're seeing now is communication between the department and people who have been dropped from Medicaid coverage.
That is probably the overarching biggest issue that we're hearing from folks is just they didn't know they lost coverage because they never received anything in the mail from the department. People then try to call into the department to find out what's going on, and that was an overwhelming piece of the conversation was that these call centers are cumbersome. People will sit on the line anywhere from 30 minutes to over an hour, and the department will also admit to this fact that oftentimes the call center will just drop calls.
It wasn't just Democrats at the unofficial hearing today. Republicans were also there too. There was two, and the one that is in our coverage area was Representative Mike Moon. He represents Ash Grove. And, Crystal Quade says, she still will push for an investigation on this later in the year and into the next session. David?
We'll follow it up. Madison Haahr tonight. Thanks. And